Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money to PayPal in eToro in 2026. And if you prefer faster access to your funds, withdrawing the PayPal is a convenient option. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to withdraw money to PayPal in eToro step by step. So listen to these instructions and follow these few simple steps very carefully. Now, the first thing you want to do is to log into your account. You're going to open your eToro account by going to eToro.com website and clicking on login. Then you're going to enter your account's credentials. Once you do that, you're going to open your account. Here, you're going to be directed to your account dashboard. You're going to verify your account by entering your details. As you can see, the first name, the middle name, etc. And make sure to provide some legal documents to provide or to confirm the authenticity of your account. Now, once you do that, the second you want to do is to click withdraw funds. You're going to select withdraw funds. Now here, as you can see here, you're going to click on the withdraw funds. And then you're going to enter the amount you want to withdraw. As you can see here, you're going to enter the amounts. You can also see the available funds here, the total. And you're going to enter the amounts here and choose a PayPal as method. You're going to go to the methods here. As you can see, it is said that it will be sent to your bank. So you're going to use the PayPal. You're going to choose PayPal. Then confirm your PayPal email address. And in most cases, withdrawals go back to the original deposit method. The final step is to confirm the withdrawal. You're going to review all the details. And then you're going to submit the request. As you can see here, we're going to click on submit. And then processing may take a few business days. As you can see, you can go to the wallet and select your local currency account. You're going to click on send payment, choose your account or add it as payee. Then you're going to enter the amounts and the reference, and then you're going to review the payments. Now, withdrawing money to PayPal from eToro in 2026 is simple and convenient. Just make sure your PayPal account details are correct and matches your eToro account information. And this is it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next tutorial.